is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted.
That's stupid.
Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed.
Pussies.
Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours.
Let's go.
Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m.
Police suck
when
anyway.
the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Stupid ass, how I'm about to make you burn. Shoot you in the face, you got what you deserve. Stupid low IQ niggas never learn. I just took your fucking bitch and make your pussy burn. I just found a couple Glocks on the fucking floor. That got a couple bullets in the felony insured. What the fuck you niggas think this is? It's fucking purge. It's not my concern, but these niggas better learn. Bang, 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 pow. Shoot him in the head, blood look like a rain cloud. Spurs, 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 committed murder. I just blew his brains out, look like Goku.